Satu, dua, tiga, seperti mati. Seperti mati.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Reza.
Oh, good morning, Mr. Perico.
Apologize in advance, sir. Would you cancel today's meeting?
I could, but why you cancel the meeting?
I could not hold the meeting today on a report of corporate profit has not been cut accurately.
Why have not count?
Because now the 25, there are still 5 days left until the month is over, so that the report has not been calculated.
Okay, I accept your excuse.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Can we replace this meeting at a later time?
Yes, sir. It could probably around June 30 or 31. You can?
Yes, I can. Okay, then to meet at another time, Mr. Perico.
I'll see you next time, too, sir.
Seperti mati.